Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Indailorai here. So today we are going to talk about what's going on with the K1 visas right now. So a friend of mine back in the Philippines asked me if the K1 visas are banned and why the US Embassy is not doing any K1 visa interviews. But before we proceed, before we answer to these questions, guys, disclaimer, I am not an immigration lawyer. What I'm sharing with you are based on my research and based on my experience as a K1 visa applicant. So this should not be considered as a legal advice. This is just for informational purposes only. And you should still seek an appropriate counsel for your own situation. Okay? So, as we all know that US embassies and consulates are suspending certain types of visas as per executive order because of the pandemic. So, is the K1 visa affected by this executive order? Are K1 visas banned? Do US embassies still process interviews for K1 visas? So I know a lot of you guys have these questions on your mind right now, or maybe some of you are confused on what's going on with the K1 visas right now. So I just hope that this video will give you just a little bit of clarification on what's going on with the K1 visas right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe in my channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Okay? So if you have read the article posted at US Department of State website, this is about suspension of entry of immigrants, then you might have an idea what visas the US embassies are giving out as of this time. But if you haven't read the article yet, so let me read it for you guys. Okay, so this was actually posted last July 17, 2020. Proclamation suspending entry of immigrants who present risk to the United States labor market during the economic recovery following the COVID-19 outbreak. April 22, 2020, President Trump signed a proclamation suspending entry into the United States of certain immigrants who present risk to the United States labor market during the economic recovery following the COVID-19 outbreak. The proclamation was effective on April 23, 2020. It was continued by the President on June 23 and will expire on December 31, 2020 unless continued. U.S. citizens, lawful permanent residents, and those holding valid immigrant visas on the effective date of the proclamation are not subject to the proclamation. The proclamation is not retroactive. No valid visas will be revoked under this proclamation. Please refer to the proclamation for a full list of exceptions. Routine visa services have been suspended at United States posts worldwide, but as resources allow, embassies and consulates will continue to provide emergency and mission-critical visa services. Mission-critical immigrant visa categories may include applicants who may be eligible for an exemption under this presidential proclamation, such as IR-CR1, IR-CR2, IR-IH3, IR-IH4, SQ, SI, and certain employment-based medical professionals, as well as cases involving an applicant who may age out. While embassies and consulates may process these types of cases, their ability to do so may be limited by local government restrictions and available resources. In addition, an applicant's ability to travel may be impacted by local laws, regulations, and travel restrictions. So that's the article that has been posted at US Department of State. I'm just going to leave the link in the description box for you to read it. Okay, so what happened to K1 visas right now? Based on the article that we've read, or I've read, K1 visas are not mentioned as mission critical. So that means, guys, K1 visa is not considered mission critical and are not being issued at the moment. So if you say that the executive order is only for immigrants because K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa, right? Yes, although K1 visa uses a DS-160 non-immigrant visa application, but K1 visa permits the holder to immigrate to the United States and marry a US citizen shortly after arrival in the United States. So K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa, but the resulting visa and intention is to immigrate. So for the final say, the K1 visas are not banned. It's just that they are not being processed as of this time at any US embassies or consulates. The US embassy or consulates are not giving out any visas because K1 visas are not considered mission critical. So technically, they are not banned. It's just that they are not being given out by any US embassies or consulates. Okay, so though you might heard that some K1 visas got approved, that's because they have been expedited due to an emergency or marrying a service member that is being transferred from the United States to an overseas station. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and all I can say to all K1 visa applicants to stay put, hang in there. Let's hope and pray that this pandemic will be over soon and the US embassies will fully open soon. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.